Alright guys, this is JumaWorkers, a site that pays you in dollars just by performing simple tasks. You know that guys, if you are doing anything that you are earning in dollars, definitely you don't know what God has done for you guys. So the way it is now, everyone should aspire to be doing anything that earns them money in dollars. No matter how small it is, but just try to get anything you're going to be doing in which you're going to be earning money in dollars. There are so many job performing websites that pays you for performing simple tasks, but most of them are based in the country currency. Like Nigeria, we have Naira Workers. I have thought about it before. We have Daily, and I have really talked about that in this channel. I am going to be leaving the link to those videos in the description box if you still want to check it out. But this one now, JumaWorkers, pays you in dollars just by performing almost the same thing you are doing in Daily. And there is one very good thing about this particular JumaWorkers. They have two categories of work you can do here. The first one are for people that are very highly skilled, and that one is called macro jobs. If you are an editor, if I am going to show you all these things that I'm telling you in a jiffy. So if you are an editor, there is a job for you that will be paying you, much. If you are a programmer, someone that can code things, there are jobs for you that can even pay you over $100. But let's say you don't have all these skills, there are still spaces for you on JumaWorkers. There are micro jobs. This one just require you to go to Facebook, follow someone, go to TikTok, follow someone, go to YouTube, follow, all these little things. So guys, without much further ado, let me take you guys around the platform to see how money is being earned here. I am going to be leaving a link in the description box. You as the first person coming to this platform, just click that link in my description box. It will lead you to either two places. It can lead you to here or lead you to where you start registering immediately. If it leads you to here, you simply click on sign up. To sign up here is very simple. You put your first name, your last name, you put your email address, you put your username, your password, confirm the password, your gender, of course, okay. You put your country of residence. Then here you have referral code. Very, very important. I am going to be leaving my referral code in the description, right? So you click on I agree and then click on sign up. Very simple. Immediately you click on that, they are going to send a link to your email asking you to verify the account. Once you click on that link in that email, boom, it will take you back to JumaWorkers and now tell you to log in, right? You put the information, you put here the email address and the password, then you simply log in, and immediately you log in, you are going to be seeing something like this. As you can see, look at the interface. We have projects and jobs. This is the place you click to get high-paying jobs. If you are skilled in what you are doing, they will give you a job in form of a project, and after completing it, trust me, your money will be paid. It's just like Fiverr and the rest of that. It's just like Fiverr and Upwork. Juma does slightly the same thing like it, but slightly different. You just perform job here mainly, okay? So that is it. Now you refer, and when you refer, you get $2. But guys, I want you guys to focus on making money in this platform. It is very, very important. Make money, perform tasks, and get paid. So that is it, guys. When you scroll down, you are gonna see those high-paying jobs, those jobs that requires skills, okay? So this one need a picture editing. Take a file called to repair and do repair the picture so it can be visual and perfect and looks normal and high quality. Remake that. This kind of thing, guys, is something you can even employ some AI. Most of the things they are doing already in today's world, an AI can do that for you perfectly. I know an AI that whenever you upload a picture there, maybe a blurry picture, it will color grade it and make it look like a 3D picture. You will get $10 paid into your account after completing this job. Then this one, if you complete it, you get $20. Look at $32, $25. These are skilled jobs, guys. If you perform this one, you're going to get $158, $52, $199, $70, and the rest of that. This one $7. Enhanced graphics visual appeal, you get $7. So that is it, guys. These ones require you to be skilled for you to be able to complete them. But what if you are just coming here to perform a job and get paid? Even if you don't have a skill, there is job for you on JumaWorkers. Just click on these micro jobs. This one is your job. You can also give job on this platform and pay people. All right, this one is completed task, the job you have completed. But where I want you to click as a person that wants to make money here. You are not giving people money, you are not giving people job, but if you want, you can do it. But the purpose of me making this video is for you to make money. So you click on find jobs. So when you click on that, guys, as you can see, look at the micro jobs, guys. This one, you reviews map, and you are going to earn 30 cents. Okay, another reviews map. Okay, look at this one, you earn 20 cents here. Some people might say 20 cents is small. Just convert 20 cents to naira and relate it to what sites like Owodele and Naira workers are paying. You see that there is a great difference. I think 20 cents converted to naira should be over 300 naira in one particular job. Even if it is 100 naira, I don't know, I have not calculated it anyway, but I know that it must pass 100 naira in our own Nigerian currency. For just one job, you are making that. Isn't that marvelous? Instead of the 10 naira, 20 naira you get from Owodele and the rest of that. But don't get me twisted. I'm not saying that you shouldn't make money on Owodele. You can combine it with this. You make money in dollar and you also make money in naira. I hope you get the sense. So let us continue. Now look at complete simple register or pin submit. Okay, you get paid 15 cents. Okay, now look at this particular place. You see how many people have done this job. This one is 25, people have completed 18. You see, people are rushing these jobs. This one is 25, people have completed 17, 25, 18, 50. It just remain one person here. People have completed 49. Just remain one person. This one is 33, already 20 persons have completed. This one is 41, already 33 persons have completed. You see, so this one is YouTube like. Do you see something like that? Already this is 25, 18 people have completed it. Sign up on Cash Vibe, you get 12 cents. This one is 456 workers needed. Already 297 have completed the job, but we still have ones that are freshly. But you see, people are not completing this job like that because the pay is very small, just 0.03 cents. Okay, look at this one, Telegram subscription, just like following a page, you get 48 cents. Let's check these things, guys. Let's check these things. We all know that a dollar is around 1,750 in average. Let us multiply it by 0.48. All right, then we keep equal to, this is 840 naira, guys. For just following a particular group or channel on Telegram, you will be paid 840 in naira. For those of you watching me from Kenya, Uganda, other countries like US and the rest of that, you can now calculate this in your own currency. So that is it, guys. Look at other jobs, look at the jobs. Now there are lots of jobs on JumaWorkers, but for you that might want to work very well so that you make so much money in a day, it might be a little bit hard for you, because yes, there are works on JumaWorkers, but not so massive like that. So this has been the complaint of most people on JumaWorkers. But if it is whether they pay, JumaWorkers pay very well. If you go to Trustpilot, you will discover that you will see a lot of people giving testimony that they have been paid. Some are paid $6 and the rest of that. But those people that complain mainly are complaining because they have limited job offers. But when you watch here, this is not limited job offer now. If you're able to complete something like this in a day, trust me, you're going to be making something like $5, $6 to $10 daily. I'm very sure of that. If we sum up all these things here, I'm very sure we are going to be getting from $6 to $10 in a day. That is very massive. So guys, this is where I am going to be coming to the end of this video. I know you got value from this video. Don't just watch this video and stay back. Get started with this website immediately. Just perform simple tasks and get paid. So that is it, guys. This is the end of the video. See you guys on my next video, and as for now, bye.